Hello everyone, this is Patrick Mealy with Ambient Lighting and Controls, here to do another installment of our Lowdown While on Lockdown. Today we're going to be discussing the Express series by Luminii. The Express series from Luminii is a new value-added series of LED strips, channels, and extrusions. It's a distributor contractor-friendly solution in terms of price point, lead times, and installation. With this series, Luminii is offering same-day order processing, shipping from the Chicago location within 48 hours or faster, and it will arrive on site in a matter of days and is fully field customizable. Let's start with the tape. Luminii has 3 different wattages available for you in this series. The first is the OAX15, which is 1.5 watts per foot, about 134 lumens per foot at 3000 K, and you can choose between 7 different color temperatures. All color temperatures come standard with a 90 CRI. The OAX15 is field cuttable every 3.94 inches, and you can do a max run length of 65 feet. Tape number 2 in this series is the OAX30. This is going to be 3 watts a foot, 256 lumens per foot at 3000 K, but you still get all the great benefits. 7 different CCTs available, all 90 CRI, and this tape is cuttable every 1.97 inches. So offers you a little more flexibility than the OAX15 and a max run length of about 38 feet. So tape number 3 is the OAX44. Again, just a little brighter than its predecessor. At 4.4 watts a foot, 371 lumens per foot at 3K, you get the same CCT and CRI available as the other series, cuttable every 3.89 inches, and a max run length of 25 feet. Here is a quick look at all the extrusions offered in the Express series. You get 5 different sizes, which allow you to use this for a multitude of applications. You can do recessed, surface, and corner mounting options. You get 3 different lensing options as well: frosted, half frosted, and clear. All 3 of the LED tape lights that we've already covered will also work with all of these extrusions. This is Luminii's universal power supply. It comes with 3 different wattage options. You have a 30 watt, 60 watt, and 90 watt version available. But what really makes this a universal driver isn't the voltage. Yes, it can handle voltage between 120 and 277, but what really makes it universal is the dimming. This power supply works with TRIAC, MLV, ELV, 0 to 10 volt, and PWM dimmers at no cost. If you want or need, we have a list online of all the dimmers that this driver is compatible with. For those of you who have installed LED tape lighting in the past, you know large hands trying to make small electrical connections on site is not always a great process. But with this Flex Connect system, it lets you do tape totally differently. With this system, you no longer have to solder any of your connections. It will allow you to slide tape into one side. The connector actually pierces the tape and makes a solid electrical connection. Then you strip 2 power wires and insert them into the other side. You close the quick connect and you're done. It's that easy. We are going to end here with a quick recap. The Express line by Luminii should be the contractor distributor go-to tape solution. It's a great price, great lead time, easy installation, and fully field customizable. Thank you all again for taking the time today. This is just a small piece of the offering of Luminii. If you want any more information or pricing on the system or have any other questions, please just let us know. Everyone stay safe out there.